What's up everyone? We're gonna explore northern Vietnam and spend 1 week on the motorbike, explore all the mountains, go to the Giang loop, a famous motorbike loop in the north on the border with China. So come along. I will try to show you the mountains as best as I can. We're about to embark in the Giang loop. On the way there's going to be a lot of beautiful landscapes to see, so I'll show you all of this. There's a lot of ethnic minorities that still live in the mountains as well. It's going to be very interesting to meet all the local people living in those mountains in very remote areas. We're on top of the mountain, around 1,000 meters high. Check this out. All right, let's go to the next spot. Right at the border with China. We can't go past because there's still restriction for COVID-19 in China, so we're staying on the Vietnam side. In these mountains we can find a lot of different ethnicities, and the Hmong is the biggest one of them. The Hmongs are spread out between the south of China, Laos and northern Vietnam, but we can also find various other ethnicities here. Daos are one of the biggest one, and the Cham as well. We can see a bunch of different attires and costumes that those ethnic groups wear. All the costumes are really bright and colorful. They all have different hats, different jewelries, and they cultivate different things. I just bought some spices from the mountains. It's beautiful to see the variety and the richness in their culture. It's amazing. We stopped to get some gas. In the karst mountains, where the Hmong live in majority, they developed various techniques to work the land. These lands were filled up with rocks. Living in the mountains, the Hmongs have to deal with very rocky type of mountains, and they have to find new ways, innovative ways to work the land. They either imported lands or created those little terraces, as you can see, to be able to cultivate their own skills. This is a very typical thing to do for the Hmong in northern Vietnam especially. I find this truly amazing. Me and Arthur are just astonished. It's the work of a lifetime. They've built staircase with those rocks. They've imported land and built those like beautiful terraces to cultivate like small, very small areas of land. So like you can see there, it's around only 2 meters wide. It's truly amazing. It feels like we're not on this planet anymore. The colors are beautiful.